Adds moisture and shine. Leave-in alcohol-free reconstructing treatment. Enriched with pure natural silk, wheat and soy proteins. Protects your hair against thermal styling and the environment. Suitable for all hair types. Barbie Silk Infusion is an alcohol-free leave-in treatment that can be used on damp or dry hair. It helps to repair and strengthen the hair while protecting it from environmental damage and breakage, which is caused by brushing, blow-drying, straightening irons and curling irons. Its unique formula contains a blend of silk amino acids, keratin, and wheat proteins that help provide incredible softness, manageability and shine without any build-up. Barbie Silk Infusion is free of alcohol, sulfates, parabens, and gluten, so it's great if you're trying to be more conscious about what products you put in your hair or on your skin. Whether you're straightening, curling, or blow-drying your hair, Silk Infusion will help protect against thermal damage while styling, frizz and flyaways. Top reviews from the United States. My hair is super shiny today. Love the smell and overall the way it made my hair look and feel. Will buy again for sure.